Okay.
All right.
So, this is the box I recently received from a fan. And, oh, you can see that,
Uh-huh.
obviously I already pre-opened it, but I did not go through the items
So,
before this recording.
all right.
So,
So
this
it's still a
was,
surprise.
it was still a surprise to both of us. We were both in the
Heck
studio
yeah.
as I opened this. And, oh, it was really exciting.
Yeah, it's always exciting to get a package
Oh, yeah. And,
of goodies.
and with me today is producer Mike, who usually works behind the scenes. And
Hello, guten Tag.
so that was just for those who are have not been with us that long.
Yeah.
Because you've
I've
done
done a couple of appearances, not a
a
lot.
couple of appearances. Yeah.
Rare.
Rare. Yeah.
But hello, everyone.
Yes. Hello, everyone. And by the way, I'm Irene. And well, I should have started with that, huh? That kind of.
Well, keep guessing.
So this first item from the box is an M-gram paint, and it is Viridian.
Mm-hmm.
And the reason why I was touching the paint with my finger was because I was very surprised that it traveled so well.
Don't be fooled. She touches all her paint.
Because M-gram has, I've heard stories because it has honey in the formula that it oozes, and so I was very impressed that it traveled so well.
Hand delivered.
No, it was not hand delivered. Oh. No, it went through the post, the U.S. Postal Service.
Well, see, someone's hands touched. It was carefully delivered.
Yes, and
but yeah, that's awesome.
Yeah, and thank you to the anonymous sender. Well, I mean, I know who it is, but
anonymous is the way to go.
Anonymous to everyone else.
Yeah, that's really neat. It's very special.
Yes,
that's a fun treat to get.
Things
you're not. Things you don't. Yeah, things you don't have.
Yeah, and these next two colors are from Daniel Smith. And remember when I was opening the box, I couldn't remember what the colors were. But,
yeah, because she had mentioned that.
She had mentioned in the email, what was coming, and I just totally forgot. It was a big mystery what these colors were at the time. But I've referred back to the email, and that one is Daniel Smith's Lunar Red Earth.
Okay.
Yeah.
Nice.
Yeah, and isn't that a cool, clear...
Yeah, it's kind of different.
Full pan.
Yeah.
All of my full pans are solid white, but I've seen the clear ones online, but I thought, wow, that's a nice look. And look at that color.
That one is...
That one is Rose of Ultramarine.
Look at that. Yeah. It's always hard to tell though in the pen, right? Once you get it on the paper, you're gonna.
Yeah, I just knew it looked beautiful in the pan, but yeah. And Rose of Ultramarine is, I understand, one of the most popular Daniel Smith colors.
Oh, well, look at that. That's cool. So that'll be really fun. Check it out. See what all the hype's about.
Look at all that.
My goodness, and it doesn't end there. Wow! Look at that score. Yeah, that's really neat.
Yeah. Now, this is Mayan Blue Dark, I believe. Okay. Which, yeah, there's a lot of little blurry when I'm trying to get focus there.
You gotta wait for the camera to put its glasses on.
Yeah.
Some of you know how that is.
Yes, I'm familiar with that. But yeah, really good. I've seen Mayan dark blue swatched out online and on the brochure, and so I know that it's the color I like.
What's going on with the nails there?
Well,
Irene?
that was the point where I realized.
Why you brought the Mayan blue in to distract us, didn't you? Uh-huh. Nice try.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay, you're saved by sap green.
This is
Oh,
Terre
sorry.
Verte.
Whoops, Terre Verte. I don't know.
It's all
It's all
green
it's
to
all
you.
Terre Verte to me.
Yeah. So this Terre Verte,
Yeah, nice.
Daniel Smith's Terre Verte, is a combination of two pigments,
Okay.
neither of which is green earth.
Oh.
Funnily enough.
Your secret's safe with us.
Yeah, but I guess
But it doesn't matter.
I guess a lot of brands will do a hue for Terre Verte rather than using the PG-23 pigment because that pigment is so weak.
Yeah. And people just call and say, something's wrong with this paint.
Yeah, and they send letters. And
Wi-Fi isn't set up. You can find instructions in the help section of your
Alexa, stop.
Darn Alexa, she's always interrupting us.
We're gonna cut that out. So this one is a Da Vinci, which we like, yeah.
Right on.
And that's a Naples yellow, I believe.
Okay.
Yeah.
Nice.
So it's kind of an ochre type of yellow.
Nice.
Yeah.
Fall.
Yeah.
Squash. Nice.
Sunflowers.
Maybe? Yeah.
Sunflowers are more summery,
yeah,
though,
they're
right?
more bright.
Or when do
That's a hard one.
sunflowers?
They're usually. I thought they're early summer. I think.
Oh, I don't.
Because they need sun. That's why they grow. The tall. They go whatever 10 feet taller they grow.
Okay. Well, here's core.
Okay.
And this is their
Nice.
sap green.
All right.
Yes.
Sap
And that is a beautiful sap green. I have the tube already from the set that you got me, the Earth Colors set.
Okay.
That core did.
Okay.
Yeah. And here's a Potter's Pink from Daniel Smith.
Look at that.
Yeah. And I have a Potter's Pink from Schminke.
Okay.
Remember you got me those Schminke tubes?
Yeah, I remember that. Yeah.
Vaguely.
But yeah, I know. It's hard for me to remember all. But that's neat. So that'll be kind of fun. Maybe a little comparison, I guess, just for fun.
Yeah. I can see how they
Might be some future content. Hint.
Don't make promises.
Oh, I'm not. Shh. Okay, don't hold me to
it. These next couple tubes, I believe, are the two Van Goghs.
Okay.
This one should be the blue violet. Yes, I can see it now.
Blue violet.
Yeah. And I think the other one is like a turquoisey color. I just know I didn't have either of those. And we have a handful of Van Gogh tubes.
Yeah, I was attracted to those the dusk colors. But, there's something about, I don't know, it just looked kind of interesting, so I grabbed them. Yeah. But yeah, nice. So that's a turquoise.
Yeah. And then you also grabbed I think the oxide black.
Yeah,
too.
the black.
Yeah.
Yeah, nice.
And the last tube is another Daniel Smith. That's the Cascade Green.
Okay.
And I do have a Cascade Green that you had purchased for me because I had put it on my wish list.
Oh.
But
hey.
Yeah, I haven't really used it yet. Sorry. Yeah.
You wish.
I wanted it, and I asked you for it, and then I haven't really used it yet.
So I held up my end of the deal.
Yeah.
But thank you. Another prompt for using that color.
Yes. So this is definitely.
Now we have to use the color for sure.
Prompting me to explore these colors because I've been kind of putting some things on the back burner that I really need to get on. And this is a
wow, look at that, another little packet of goodies. Wow.
Yeah, these are dot cards.
Okay.
This
yeah.
The one on top is a handmade watercolor paint from Soliloquy, which is Canadian.
Okay. Nice.
Yeah.
Neighbors to the north.
Yeah, and then the rest are Daniel Smith, Primitex.
Oh, nice. Look at that.
But this one on top, the handmade one, that's a really pretty color.
Yeah, that is pretty. That's Little Mermaid.
Very shimmery, yeah. Little Mermaid, maybe Wedding Cake.
Yeah, Wedding Cake. Yeah, heck yeah. But yeah, it's, those are fun.
Mm-hmm.
It's always fun to experiment with different, even if it's not a true pigment.
A true pigment?
Yeah, you know what I mean, because it's a shimmery or iridescent kind of thing. So it's.
Well, I'm sure they put some kind of pigment in there, but.
I don't know.
How do you add the shimmer though?
Exactly.
It's like a mica, right?
Yeah,
a mica powder
or fish scale or whatever.
Gives the sheen,
like they do with makeup.
Fish scales.
No, that's what they do for eyeshadow. Eyeshadow is fish scale.
Oh,
because the iridescence. You didn't know that?
I don't.
Don't freak out.
Okay, so these are the Daniel Smith Primotex.
Yeah. So on the back, it's got a little description.
Yeah, and it's the marketing jargon.
Yeah, of course.
What did Otto Kano called it? Something funny. She mystical
mystical text writings.
Mystical I forget the term. Claptrap. That wasn't the word, but basically.
That's funny. Whatever, some nice colors.
Yeah.
So that'll be fun to check them out.
Each card is a themed, color coordinated or whatever.
So Baked Earth is this particular one.
Yeah, so this has a bunch of browns on it. There's a tiger's eye, burnt tiger's eye, Sedona. I can't say that first one. Yavapai.
Oh, yeah.
I have
Use
no
your
idea.
Google for that one, guys.
Yeah.
Google.
I don't know, but it looks delicious.
Yeah. Nice colors.
Yeah.
So nice. So there's quite a few cards.
Yeah, there's their Primatech line is actually pretty extensive.
Yeah. I haven't really seen.
Yeah.
The whole line, so that's neat. That'll be fun.
Because that first card, I don't have any from that first card. But you did get me the starter set. It had the 6 5 ml tubes from the Primotex.
Yeah.
So I do have some.
So a couple of them are familiar, but.
Now this one has the Sleeping Beauty turquoise, which is one of the most popular Daniel Smith colors. I understand. And also the lapis lazuli, and lapis lazuli, I've heard it's their most expensive color.
Okay.
But they're least pigmented.
Mm-hmm.
That's what I've heard.
Sounds like a trap. You have to buy more paint to get less color. So okay, interesting.
Yeah, but
so yeah, it'll be interesting to see how it swatches out, so you can actually see if it compares to what the hyper or whatever the opposite of hype is.
I have the jadeite. That jadeite came in that kit set you got me.
So that was some neat.
But I've been wanting the serpentine.
Oh yeah.
Right, because the serpentine, the swatches I've seen, it looks really cool.
Well. Between the cards and the tubes, you got some interesting blues and greens in there, so that's that's cool.
Oh yeah,
that'll be fun.
Yeah, and you know how much I love greens.
I know, I like greens too. Greens one of those, it's right where you can see it, right? It's not too dark, not too light.
Now, Soda Light, if I remember correctly, that should be a really nice blue color.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah.
Huh. So now this grouping is blacks. Metamorphic blacks. Okay. Oh. Interesting.
Yeah. I wonder what they mean by metamorphic.
They're going to change before your eyes.
I have the hematite that came in the set you got me.
Okay. So you have couple of them, some experience with a few of them, but it's neat to see them all grouped.
But there's so many others that I have not tried.
That's fun.
So I am really excited.
Without having to buy $12 and $13 tubes to find out, maybe I don't like that color.
Well, and not even 12 or 13. They're more like 15, 16.
Yeah, I guess that's
more actually, I think.
We got spoiled for a short time. It seemed like the price was right on the paints and all of a sudden everything went up.
And then because when we first started the channel, I think that's been over a year ago. Has it been a year and a half?
Oh, I can't remember now. Was it May? When was it? April?
March.
Okay.
March of
So you're almost
April,
a year.
May,
Almost a year.
June, July, a year and 4 months. I guess.
That's so awesome.
Yeah.
And we have plenty of content still. We're right now trying to figure out, when to do it, not how much to do. So it's scheduling content. So hang in there, guys. There'll be plenty of fun things coming.
Yeah.
And maybe some other interesting things too. So like, subscribe, share, all the goodies. So that you can remember to be there when we tell you what's going on.
Well, that was pretty smooth. Slipping that in there.
Oh, sorry.
Yeah.
Wouldn't be Producer Mike if I didn't say that. But anyways, yeah, so nice. That's fun. Red Earth. Red Sands.
And Rockin' Red.
What about Rockin' Red? Wow. What about Red Ocean? No?
Oh, rhodonite. I like rhodonite.
Nice.
That is a really pretty pink. But garnet sounds good.
You can kind of sort of see the color on the edge there, that little bit.
A little bit. Yeah.
So you kind of go, ooh, it's like a little teaser. I can't wait for the full swatch.
Yeah, and there will be
see it in mass tone and
there will be a future video where I swatch all of these, of course. So.
Yeah. Awesome.
Yeah.
That'll be fun.
Can't wait.
Yeah, that is really neat.
Yeah. So it's been really fun getting happy mail from viewers, because this is like I think the fourth package I've received now.
That's pretty amazing.
That is people sharing or contributing to the channel, obviously for the content, because.
Well, art for art's sake, right? Yeah, I think that's awesome that people are supporting the channel that way, because that's fun too, because everybody gets to enjoy you painting them. Everybody gets to see it, so it's really neat. It's a fun way to contribute.
Yes.
So that is really cool.
Yes, thank you very much, anonymous sender. And now, not too long ago, I saw on Miranda Watson, on her channel, Alkali Creek Art, she had a bunch of dog cards, and she picked one that had, like 8 different dots on it of paint.
Okay.
And she, in that one episode, that one video, she did a painting for each of those 8 colors on that dot card. Wow. So there were 8 paintings in that video, and that was really cool. But and I mean, I don't know.
That would be quite the challenge.
I don't know if she's going to do all of the other dot cards that way.
She might have picked her favorites or something.
But then again, she is pretty hardcore.
Yeah, so. Yeah. I don't know if I watched her too much. I've only seen it a few times when you've had her on. But that sounds cool.
I've talked about her. So.
Yeah. So that's cool.
Yeah.
That's a neat challenge, though. Yeah.
So I think this is getting close to the end here, because I'm just kind of arranging things now to look to make a pretty picture here. What do you call that? Composition.
Yeah, a little composition.
Yeah.
A little thumbnail such.
Well,
you guys, you guys get to see some behind the scenes stuff here.
Well, because this.
She might even touch the paint again. Watch.
No.
Anyway, so so if I already shoved it down everybody's throat, and like, subscribe, and share. We want to keep doing this content, and we definitely appreciate the viewer that sent this in. It's kind of neat to get some goodies.
Yeah, really fun. Okay. So thanks everybody for watching, and keep an eye out for the next video where I believe the next one is where I'm going to swatch this stuff.
So nice.
All right.
So it was fun joining everybody.
Yeah, thanks for...
Paint on.
And I've seen this color swatched in videos, and it's just really pretty in the videos. So I am really excited to... Oh my gosh, I just remembered I didn't do my nails, and I didn't take the polish off on those two.
Now you're one of those people.
One of those people that I was always complaining about. Oh, they didn't even bother doing her nails. What kind of YouTuber is this?
It's all about the hands.
It's all about the hands.